doggy, and look, that has a blue candy in the front, and then it has a blue candy on the top. And there's this
Sugar pup what? What's the name? Sugar pup puppy?
Yeah. And it's full of candy, as you guys can see. And oh, a little accident.
Or sugar pup.
And I like this one's. I like the color, and it's like a horse, and I love it.
You met a pony. That's the name, huh?
Yeah.
It's cute.
So let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Open it here. I think I like this one. I love
Oh, it's a cute little pony, guys.
it. The checklist.
No, we'll worry about that later.
Yeah. I like it and I love it. I just like the color. Look at all of the colors. Look at all of the colors. I love it because all of the sparkles and all of the clears. All of the clears. Her eyes are clear too. Gonna put that
You
right
can
there.
wear them or make a necklace, right?
Yeah.
Make bracelets
Yeah. Look.
out of a lot of them.
So this is how you work them. Then
Ooh,
you correct them.
cute.
Now let's open the main card.
It's right there. It's on the table. It's on the table.
Oh. Oh, this one's cute.
That one's Sugar Pup Puppy.
Yep. I like it because it's clear
Like, yeah, the
And-
head is cute.
and this whole body's clear. Everything's clear. I like it. So we'll see what they have in the checklist. See how many we can get. Okay, so we got this round and this round. Then we got the other side is fully gonna be clean.
Ooh, that's,
And guess what,
that's a lot.
guys? You
That's
get
a lot.
you get how fluffy it is. Look, fluffy it is. I love it though. And wait, we could turn all of them into like bracelets. Oh gosh, this one's a little hard.
What happens when they're new?
Yeah.
Don't worry about putting that one into a bracelet.
So you guys see, I have more right here. I got an elephant, and basically this is how you untwist it. Head, then tail, untwist.
So cute.
It's super easy because you just need to pull the head and tail. This easy. So I got a mouse, this rainbow, and I got an elephant. That's what I just pull off. And then I got a cute little doggy, and I got a cat, and I got a unicorn, then I got a giraffe. I have all of the collection, but
Not all of it. We have a couple.
like,
We like wearing them when we go out.
yeah, like this. So we need to get we already have the elephant. We need the golden kitty, which we have a purple kitty, and we have to get the golden sheep and the golden giraffe and the golden monkey and this one. We need to collect all of them on the page. So you guys, I'll show you how to play with them. Oh gosh. Ugh. Got on it twisted. There. First, I'm gonna make a bracelet to all of these. Now we just have to connect with this one. Two. Oh gosh. Let's try connecting this one. There. We got it to get there.
Make a necklace.
Yeah. Oh, well, that was a little bit hard. Now then, we need to take the mouse of this hard. I need a little bit help. So you guys, I did 1 Legolas, 3, 4, 5.
4 bracelets.
4 bracelets, and I love them because they're bracelets. Look. They're fun to play with and they're fashion. And so what?
You can probably wear 2 and 2 on both ends. That's so cute.
I love them because you can play with them and they're fun to play and they're absolutely fashion. Like, sorry you guys.
Look at her.
It's really fun to play with because I like it and they're super fun. And this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up.